In today's video, I will walk you through how to input code in MetaTrader 5. To get started, open MetaTrader 5 on your PC as you normally would. Once the platform is open, you'll be on the main trading screen. From there, go to the top menu and click File. Then, select the MetaQuotes language editor. You can also press F4 on your keyboard to open it directly. This will launch the MetaEditor window, where you'll create and manage your code. When MetaEditor opens, you'll notice that you can't simply start typing into the current window. Before you can input your code, you'll need to create a new file. To do that, click the New button at the top of the window. You can also press Ctrl and N on your keyboard as a shortcut. This opens the MQL wizard. The wizard gives you several different options to choose from. You can create an expert advisor using either the template or generate option. You can also create a custom indicator, a script, a service, a library, an include file, a new class, a Python script, or a database. Select the option that matches the type of code you want to create, then click Next. On the next screen, enter a name for your project. You can also enter the author name and add a link if you want. If you need to include parameters, click the Add button and enter the inputs you want to create. Once everything is set up, click Finish. MetaEditor will now generate a new file for you. This is where you'll either begin writing your own code or paste in the code you already have. After you've entered your code, click the Compile button at the top of the window. You can also press F7 on your keyboard to compile the file. If there are any errors, they'll appear in the panel at the bottom of the MetaEditor window. In the example shown, the errors are caused because the placeholder text is not actual code. Once that text is removed and the file is compiled again, the errors disappear. When the compile process finishes successfully without warnings or errors, close the MetaEditor window and return to MetaTrader 5. Now open the Navigator panel and locate the category that matches the type of file you created. In this example, the file was created as a script. So expand the script section, find the file you just created, then drag and drop it onto your chart. When the confirmation window appears, click OK. Then enable Allow Algo Trading and click OK again. To start algorithmic trading, either press Ctrl and E on your keyboard or click the Algo Trading button on the toolbar. That's all there is to inputting code in MetaTrader 5. Once your code is compiled successfully, you can locate it in the Navigator and attach it to your chart whenever you're ready. Thank you for watching.